Righto, tally-o to champs. Now, I think I'm done. I think I'm done with the iPhone upgrade thing. And I'm not here to rain on your parade. If you've got an iPhone 14 Pro Max, believe me, you got the best smartphone on the market, or one of the best at least. It depends on your perspective. A lot of Android Tim Cook fans, maybe they don't think so. But I do honestly think it's probably the best smartphone out there. And I got sucked in. I really did get sucked in. And usually I don't get sucked in. I don't believe in Apple's marketing. That's a load of BS, right? And you know when you get a new phone, you're buzzing, you get this new phone feeling, and it lasts for a while. Well, it lasted me like hours with this 14 Pro Max. And it was like, yeah, it's the same, but different. And why I say I got sucked in is I know that they bang on about the camera upgrades being big and all this, and really in reality, we know that the processing is most responsible for what happens to the image. But they got me with this one. I thought, you know, a new camera sensor, new lens, new ISP on the silicon. So it has a new like hardware ISP on the new silicon that processes it, should process it different, the image, and new processing sort of algorithm as well. What is it? Photon fusion something? I don't know. Whatever it is, it's supposed to be better, right? And if I was going to pin two things that are great about this new iPhone Pro Max, it would be the big upgrade to the wide angle. That's one thing I do like. I wouldn't sort of shoot video on the wide angle with the 13 Pro Max just because I knew it was an inferior camera. Now I'm not worried, so that's a good thing. And I also like that cinematic mode is in 4K. They're the two things I really like about this 14 Pro. But apart from that, yeah, the camera's a bit better, but come on, it's not that much better, especially what you use a smartphone for, like seriously. And I did think with all those things I mentioned, the new things on the camera, there would have been a night and day difference. But no, so I wouldn't bother with this iPhone 14 Pro Max, and I think I'm done with the yearly upgrade. I said actually before this one came out, I'm not going to upgrade. And as I said, they got me with this one, but from now on, I think I'm done with the yearly upgrade. And I know you're saying now, what do you expect from a yearly upgrade? Well, let me tell you. Last year, we went to 120 Hz display. That was night and day difference from before, okay? Big feature. When I went back to the 60 Hz iPhone, it hurt. Yes, 60 Hz hurts. It was actually jarring going back to 60 Hz iPhone. So that was a big night and day difference. I think the year before, if memory serves correct, I'm sure I'll get corrected in the comments if I'm wrong, but I think they had Dolby Vision HDR the year before. So that was night and day difference. Now I could film Dolby Vision HDR on my phone. Woof. That was a big night and day difference from the previous model. This year, don't bother. Forget about it. Unless you've got an old iPhone, just wait for a new design or, you know, some night and day differences in the phone. That's my opinion. That's my 2 cents. Let me know what you guys think. I'll catch you in the next one. Tally ho.